Hello, welcome to this incomplete tour of the upstairs. So this is the master bedroom with the space for the boiler here. And this is the boiler. There is a lovely big view, and there's going to be a Juliet balcony, so you can't actually walk out, but you can just open it and look out. And then into here is the dressing room, where you can get dressed and put all your clothes. It's like a massive wardrobe, basically. And then through here we have the ensuite bathroom, and then through here is where the toilet will be, and then the rest is like a shower, bath, and a
Go.
This is the hallway. There will be stairs here going up from the down floor, so you can get to each floor. That's pretty good. Then through here we have the family bathroom, which is basically mine and Tiger and Aggie's bathroom. Will have a bath and a sink and a toilet, what you need in a bathroom. And then through here we have Aggie's room. So we have this lovely big window you can look out of, and another one here. He's sitting right some stories.
Go.
Out here we have a platform bed. Oh, this is very cool. So we have a lovely mattress, and it will just be lovely and cozy space to sleep. And with a nice sturdy rug, which is already installed.
Go.
So there's some lovely space to sleep. You can sleep either way. And there's also going to be a window here-ish. So you can look out onto the hallway and wave at any people passing by with some sockets, and also a light switch. You can just get into bed and turn off the light, and you don't have to go back down and climb up the ladder in the dark, because that is a safety hazard. Very easy to climb down. And then underneath we have the walk-in wardrobe, the clothes. It's underneath the bed. It was originally going to be to here, but because of the platform bed, we can bring it forward to here. We're possibly going to have like some beads along here, or a nice curtain. Definitely not a proper door. Just a lovely little space. And this is going to be a revolving door. You will go around and into this room. There's going to be a lock on each side, so you can only use it if both people are okay with it. And then we go through here, the action door, into this bedroom. I forgot to mention that's Aggie's room and this is my room. So this is my room. We have a window similar to Aggie's, and then a long one here. But that's not such a great thing for sitting on. And then it's just a really big room. This is where the log burner will go, where it comes up the chimney. So this in here is going to be the wardrobe. And what's special about this wardrobe is there's going to be a ladder here which you can climb up, and then here there will be sort of the ceiling will go to here, and there'll be a secret hidden room up there where you can read or do whatever you want. Okay, and then here there's going to be ceiling high bookshelves, maybe. Maybe not all the way. And that's about it for this room. So doors up. Wow. So this is Titan. There's a lovely big window here.